Good morning, children. Welcome back. I am your social science teacher. In today's session, we are going to learn about Lesson 2 Agriculture. Come, children, let us learn Lesson 2 Agriculture. Dear children, what we discuss in this unit? In this unit, describe the features of agriculture, list and explain different types of farming and irrigation. Next one, name the various crops grown in Tamil Nadu. Dear children, what is agriculture? An agriculture is an activity of growing crops, fruits, vegetables, flowers, and rearing of livestock. Livestock means domesticated animals. It is a primary activity since it directly involves natural resources. In India, a huge number of people derive the activity from the ancestors. Agriculture describes the practice of growing crops or rearing animals. Someone who works as a farmer is in the agriculture field. Cultivating a piece of land or planting and growing food plants on it. Come on, children. Now we will see the introduction of this lesson. Agriculture is the art and science of preparing the soil for cultivation, growing crops, and raising livestock. So it has steps preparing soil for cultivation and fertilizer of this soil. And you have seen the growth of crops, not only the crops, a feeding care of the livestock. Dear children, what is the meaning of livestock? A livestock is a domesticated animals which are raising in the agriculture land. Animals like buffalo, cow, sheep, goat, chick, wool are come under the livestock. Children, why it is important? Yes, we need food to eat. We can't grow alone. We have to depend on the farmers who grow crops for us. So we have to always respect the people who are doing the agriculture. It has become a necessity for the humans. Without agriculture, it is difficult to find the food. Agriculture linked to the development of human civilization. It is because of agriculture that is a development of civilization. Civilization means the stage of human, social, and cultural development. India is an agricultural country. One third of our national income comes from agriculture. We are very much dependent on agriculture. Agricultural development contributes to the economy of our country. Economy means what, children? Economy means wealth of our country. India is an agriculture country because one third of the country's income coming from the agriculture. Farmers in India. A farmer is a person who cultivates crops and rears animals. India is a land of farmers. It is called so because majority of Indians are directly or indirectly involved in agricultural activities. Agriculture is the backbone of our economy. Farmers who cultivate in an area less than 1 hectare are called micro farmers. Okay, students, did you understand today's class? A small recap of what we have learned in this session. Agriculture. Agriculture is the art and science of preparing the soil for cultivation, growing crops, and raising livestock. India is an agriculture country. India is an agriculture country. One third of our national income comes from agriculture. Agricultural development contributes to the economy of our country. A farmer is a person who cultivates crops and rears animals. India is a land of farmers. Okay, students, thank you.